Hey, I'm John O'Brien, founder of Rome Roof and Solar. If your gutters are overflowing, pulling away from your house, or just dumping water at your foundation, that's not just a gutter problem. That's a water management problem, and water always wins. Bad drainage can rot your fascia, stain your siding, and here in Central Texas, that clay soil can literally shift your foundation. Gutters are cheap, foundations are not. Here's what your appointment looks like. We don't just measure for gutters. We evaluate how water moves off your entire roof system. Pitch, valleys, downspout placement, where the water needs to go. While we're up there, we'll inspect the roof itself too, because hanging new gutters on a compromised roof line is just money wasted. You'll get a photo report covering everything we find, and most of the time on a gutter call, the news is good. If your roof is healthy, we'll tell you exactly that, and your report becomes a time, date stamped, clean bill of health. So hold on to it. If a storm ever comes through and your carrier questions whether the damage was pre-existing, that report serves as your proof. It's a free layer of protection that most homeowners never think to get. You don't have to be home for the inspection, but being there for this first visit means your specialist can walk you through options and answer any questions you have on the spot. And in the rare case we find that your roof needs more than gutters, I've put together a whole video series that walks you through everything, roofing systems, options, and how to pay for it. If that ends up being your situation, watch it before you make any decisions. It'll set you up for success, whether you work with us or not. See you soon.